Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are going to learn our third chapter, that is parts of a plant and their functions. Okay, let's start our chapter. Take out page number 161 in your science readers. Let's see what are the parts of the plants and their functions. You clap with your hands, right? We can clap with our hands. Smell with your nose means we can smell with the help of our nose. Run using your feet and feel with your skin, right? We can clap with our hands, we can smell with our nose, we can run with the help of our feet and feel with your skin means we can feel the things with the help of our skin. Likewise, means these all are the parts of our body, right? Hands, nose, legs, these all are our parts of the bodies. Likewise, the plants also have their parts and their functions also. Okay, now we learn what are the parts of the plants and what are the functions of their parts. Okay, so let's see characteristics of plants. First we will see the characteristics. What are the characteristics of the plants? Do you know there are over 3,75,000 different type of plants in this world? Did you know this? There are more than 3,75,000 different types of plants in this world. That is quite a big number, right? 3,75,000 means it is quite a big number. And new plants are being discovered every day. Means nowadays also day by day being discovered every day some plants, also new plants. Okay, so see the first point. Plants range in size from the very small to the very big, right? The plants sizes, some plants are too small in size and some plants are too big in their size, right? We can see some small plants, some big plants, right, in our surroundings. The smallest algae, a kind of small plant that grow in the water. Algae means it is a kind of plants that grow in the waters. Algae can grow in the waters. Can be seen only with the microscopes. These algae we cannot see by our normal eyes. We have to use the microscope to see the algae. Okay, duckweed. See this is the picture of duckweed. These are the duckweeds. Duckweeds are flowering plant. This is a flowering plant that grows in the water. This duckweed is grow in the water. Is so small that around the size of this duckweed is too small. That is around 25 of them can fit on your fingernails. Means 25 of these plants can fit on your fingernails. The size of this duckweed is that much is smaller. The tallest tree can be over 80 meters high, taller than a 25-story buildings. Means the tallest tree can be over 80 meters of height. The height of the tallest tree is up to 80 meters, taller than a 25-story buildings. Okay, this is the size of a big tree. So turn the page. Plants can grow on lands, in water, in very hot deserts, in freezing cold, and on top of very high mountains, right? Plants can grow in different areas with their environments. They can grow with their surroundings. They can grow on the land also. They can grow on the water, in the hot desert areas, in the freezing areas, on the top of every high mountains. These all are the places of where the plants can grow. Cacti can grow where there is a very little water. Cacti is a type of plant. It can grow if somewhere is very little water is there. At that place cacti can grow easily. Their thick stem and branches store water. The stem and the branches of the cacti can store the water. That is the